Let's dive into SoFi's outlook for this upcoming week, covering some key factors likely to impact the stock price. We're focusing on the broader market events that might lead to significant fluctuations. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. This week brings a big event with the elections happening on Tuesday, November 5th. The election results could create a lot of movement in the stock market, particularly for finance-focused companies like SoFi. Market uncertainty usually peaks around elections, as investors try to predict how new policies or leadership changes might impact various sectors. Since finance is so closely tied to regulatory and economic policies, the election results could have a ripple effect on financial stocks in particular. Election outcomes often influence the market's overall mood, potentially shifting between optimism and caution. Depending on the results, we could see either a risk-on or risk-off sentiment across the market. In other words, investors might either be motivated to dive into riskier assets or take a step back and wait. SoFi stock could respond to this sentiment by experiencing some ups and downs in the short term. In addition to the elections, interest rate decisions are also on the horizon, with a potential adjustment of 25 basis points. This forecasted rate change has been in discussion and might already be partially priced into the market. However, the real market impact often comes from any additional commentary provided afterward. Investors tend to focus on what's hinted at for the future. For example, if there's any indication that rates might be adjusted again in December, this could trigger more volatility. There's speculation that Jerome Powell, chair of the Federal Reserve, might make statements based on recent labor data, suggesting that another rate adjustment may or may not be needed in the near term. If he signals that there won't be additional rate changes, this could either stabilize or destabilize growth stocks, depending on market sentiment. For SoFi, which operates in the financial space, interest rate changes can impact both its cost of capital and lending business. However, recent company statements indicate that SoFi anticipates a potential 75 basis point increase in 2024, so minor fluctuations in December may not drastically alter their outlook. As we head into the week, it's also worth mentioning the current sentiment among investors, as tracked by the Fear and Greed Index, which sits in the neutral zone. This means that many investors may be in a wait-and-see mode rather than jumping in aggressively or pulling out drastically. People may be holding off on any major moves until they have a clearer sense of how the elections play out and whether additional interest rate changes are likely. If the election results don't align with the market's preferences, we might see an increase in bearish activity as short sellers look for opportunities to capitalize on any negative sentiment. In the meantime, some investors might play it safe by focusing on stable stocks rather than high-growth companies like SoFi. Yet, if the elections and interest rate decisions end on a positive note, it could open up opportunities for significant gains as investor confidence is bolstered. While there are no specific events directly related to SoFi scheduled for this week, there could still be updates in terms of analyst ratings. In recent months, several analysts have shown bullish views on SoFi, which suggests that they see potential for the stock to appreciate. Additional positive ratings could further support the stock's momentum, especially if they come from well-known analysts who have been monitoring SoFi closely. With fresh data now available and the stock performing steadily, some analysts may revise their ratings upwards, targeting the stock in the high teens. However, some analysts, often skeptical, may still choose to wait, likely based on their cautious approach to growth stocks in uncertain economic conditions. This week, SoFi is likely to be affected by general market trends, influenced by the election results and interest rate developments. In times of high volatility, financial stocks like SoFi often fluctuate with the broader market sentiment. In scenarios where election outcomes favor market-friendly candidates, financial stocks might see a boost due to the likelihood of more favorable regulatory environments. However, if the results are not in line with expectations, SoFi could experience a downward trend along with other financial stocks as short sellers take advantage of any market uncertainty. At the same time, institutional investors tend to keep a close eye on financial stocks in times of market uncertainty, as they are seen as a barometer for economic stability. Therefore, any big swings in the market due to political or economic factors could quickly reflect on SoFi's price movements. For investors, navigating SoFi's potential this week may require staying updated on broader market developments and adjusting strategies accordingly. One way to take advantage of market volatility is through strategic options, but caution is always advised. It's important to carefully monitor election results, interest rate announcements, and any possible analyst updates. Investors might consider holding off on selling options if they anticipate a strong upward trend, as locking in early profits could limit potential gains if SoFi's stock experiences a strong rally. Additionally, long-term investors might find opportunities by staying patient during this period of potential volatility. Selling puts, for example, can be a strategic move if you're already interested in purchasing SoFi stock, as this approach could allow you to buy at a favorable price while also earning a premium. This can be especially beneficial if the stock dips in the short term, creating a buying opportunity for those who believe in its long-term potential. Overall, this week is shaping up to be an interesting one for SoFi investors. While technical indicators can offer insights, it's the fundamental factors like election results and rate decisions that will likely drive market behavior. As we approach the end of the week, keep an eye on any analyst revisions and observe how the market reacts to key developments. For those interested in SoFi, staying informed and agile can be beneficial as the stock reacts to these broader market forces. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.